the Microsoft Excel tutorials on how to change the phone number format on Microsoft Excel. Okay, so today we will learn together how to change the phone number format on Microsoft Excel with some tutorials here, and now I'm gonna share for you to change how to change format how to change the phone number format or to formatting data that we can do or we can use on the Microsoft Excel when our data is random and it's not tidy up because we just type freely and we need to formatting the phone number, for example, or another formatting, so we can use this. So that's for example, we will add the strip sign here to our formatting phone numbers style here, and without typing one by one, Microsoft Excel have a format here, a format styles to make it easier. Automatically, you can make a formatting of phone number without doing this manually one by one. Okay, it means that we just need to make a uh, click manually, and then the Microsoft Excel will follow your command here. Here, go to home, and then fill here on the editing, and then click just like this fill. Okay, and then go to the arrow. Okay, arrow to the down. Okay, so the four first digits on the phone number will be stripped, and then three numbers and last four numbers. Just editing, go to editing on the home tab menu, and then automatically will follow the format of the previous format on the Microsoft Excel. That's the normal method or normal ways. Okay, and also I have a fast method here. This is a faster method. Okay, just click with Control plus E. Control plus E. Okay, Control CTRL plus E on your keyboard, or Command E on your MacBook keyboard, and then the last command that you've created on the Microsoft Excel will be copied to the new steps or to the next steps that you want to do on the Microsoft Excel. It means that if you want to make the format like this, for example, you have a new format like this by making a first name or last name, and then you just Control plus E. So the last command that you've created will be copied to Microsoft Excel. For example, on this phone number format like this. That's how the format, how to change phone number format on the Microsoft Excel with two methods. Hopefully this might be useful for you. See you soon. Bye bye.